Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week. I'm getting my week of groceries, and actually I don't have a ton to get this week, which always makes me and my budget very happy. With Mother's Day at the end of the week, we are going to my in-laws' house for dinner, and then I am for sure not cooking on Mother's Day. I don't know what I'm going to pick to do, but it just lessens the load. So I have less to get. I'm going to get into the store, get what I need, and don't forget at the end there's going to be a meal plan. I am shopping on Sunday though, because Monday I am in charge of a parent-teacher group catered lunch at our school, so I will not be available to shop, and part of what I'm doing is making a vegetable tray. So I have to get all that good stuff too. It's a gorgeous sunny Sunday, so it's a nice day to be out, but unfortunately I think all of Kalamazoo's at Aldi right now, so hopefully I can film while in there. Let's see. Okay, this isn't on the meal plan or on my list, but they're on clearance for 59 cents, and my husband loves to put these in his Chex Mix, so I'm gonna get a bag. Actually, I'm gonna get two. So last week I bought those mini tacos, and I'm getting the salsa con queso to dip those tacos in for this week. It's $1.79, and my son also wants chips and salsa in his lunch again, so I'm getting these chips for $1.95, and he loves the salsa, $2.19. $1.29 for toast. I just got blueberries at Meyer for $1.50. I'm glad I didn't get them here. I'm gonna get 3 mangoes just to add to meals this week. Everyone loves them. I need a cilantro and a green onion, 85 cents a piece. For the vegetable platter and for my kids' lunches, I'm getting some cucumbers. They're 65 cents a piece, so I'm gonna grab probably 5 of them so I have enough. Radishes for poke bowls, $1.49. I'm gonna get carrots for our poke bowls, $1.89. I did already buy carrots at Meyer for the teachers' lunches. The poke bowls are based off ones that we had something similar to in Canada, and I'm gonna get this artisan lettuce to chop up to put on top, $2.89. My vegetarian loved the poke bowls. I'm having a fruit bowl out for the teachers, so I'm gonna get this bunch of bananas at 41 cents. They're pretty green, so I'm gonna put them in a paper bag. We'll see if that helps at all, because the lunch is tomorrow. And then I'm also gonna get a bag of apples to go with it, $2.89, and a thing of mandarins. I already did buy them some of the blueberries at Meyer. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't think the bananas will be good by tomorrow. A dozen eggs. They're coming down in price still, which is good, because we are now giving our dog an egg a day, mixing it with her evening food, and it helps her to eat it really well. $2.65 for 2% milk. Get one every week. Every week my kids are able to request anything they want, and my 11-year-old asked for pineapple juice, $4.19. For the poke bowls, I want to have garbanzo beans as a protein. It's not typical of poke bowls, I don't think, but my vegetarian will eat it, 78 cents. I'm making a black bean and corn salsa to take to my in-laws for the Mother's Day dinner, 77 cents for black beans, and 50 cents for the corn. For the teachers, I'm getting celery, $1.69, and mini peppers for $2.99. And I like that they're actually quite mini. That'll be easier for them to grab just a couple of to go with their lunch. Okay, I'm gonna get a bag of mini avocados for poke bowls and for toast, $2.59. I didn't have pepperoncinis, and we are having our charcuterie from last week's meal plan tonight, so my vegetarian asked me to make sure we had these, $2.19. I ran out of soy sauce, and that never happens, so I'm gonna get 2, so I have one on hand in case it happens again, $1.55 a piece. We love this maple syrup, ran out last week, $5.99. Okay, my husband asked me to just get cereal, so he loves this, $1.95. And I just kind of look for the other cheaper options because he doesn't really care. $1.43, I'll get the fruit rounds. And I'm gonna get chocolate puffs for $1.59. Okay, the Aldi Finds aisle is crazy busy, but they have these, which are really cute. pineapple slicer. All of my kids currently have clogs, but I love these. I bought the Aldi ones before in the past that have the holes, just like a Croc, but these don't have holes. They're only $7.99 for adults, $5.99 for kids. Really good value. Oh goodness. They have these bog bag dupes. I just got one of these actually. You'll be seeing that in a future video, but $22.99. Coolers, portable fans, lots of different camping accessories. Stadium seats, beanbag toss. Again, a lot of the Aldi Fine stuff is coming in marked down, which is very interesting to me. I don't know if that's a sales tactic or they just are finding that things aren't selling very well, so they're just helping it right off the bat. Some laundry items. I think these are really cute. $9.99. Yay, they don't, oh no, oh man. They don't always have this, but I want it for Korean beef that I make in the Instant Pot, and it's on sale for $5.49. I love it. Running low on coffee. I'm gonna get the breakfast blend, $4.19. Oh no, my family is not gonna be happy. They don't have hot chocolate. It must be the season is over, so we don't have it right now. Well, I was hoping against all hope that they would have my dessert, the German one, but they don't. This cherry strudel thing, it's so good. Or not strudel, like a tart. Lots of different items. Nothing looks super new here. It looks like a lot of what has been around. That Mediterranean pizza looks pretty good to me. $5.49. Enchiladas. I'm excited. We have the mini tacos on our meal plan. I bought them last week in case they didn't have them this week. Mashed potatoes, frozen. I have actually made mashed potatoes in bulk and froze them myself, and they turn out really good. I also tried the Buna. My in-laws bought it, liked it. I have never bought it myself. The fruit bars look pretty good. Lots of different desserts down here. Not gonna get any of it. Okay, for the teachers, I am getting them classic hummus. I'm gonna get 2 of them for their vegetables. So $2.49 a piece. Okay, we have this Bellevue water. My family and I are very excited that it's still around, and I'm going to get lemon. $3.69 each. Broccoli for our Korean beef dinner. I'm actually gonna get 2, 97 cents. And I'm gonna get cauliflower rice for $1.99 because I mix it with my rice. And we put the Korean beef right on top. Well, they're really calling to me with the Haribo. My weakness is Haribo gummies. I love them so much. Lots of Smart Waters. Propel. Different mix-ins with waters. Interesting stuff. Ooh, I love ribbon noodles. $2.99. Maybe I'll have to make something with that for next week. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna have a total for the teacher stuff up here, minus the white bread, and then mine is down here, and everything else I have at home or I'm getting at Walmart. Okay, this is the PTG stuff. Okay, the teacher's total was $18.09. Well, the PTG total, parent teacher group. And then my total for all my stuff down here was $68.44. Okay, so here's our meal plan for the week. I'm making poke bowls. My daughters are actually the ones that really want this. Their vegan aunt had one at a restaurant and they tried it and they wanted to make them at home. So I'm happy to try it. It did look very fresh and it's definitely going to be vegan still, but I'm going to have shredded chicken on the side for me, my husband, and my son. Korean beef, I make that in the Instant Pot, and then I have rice and broccoli on the side. You build it as a bowl. I love to put sesame seeds on top. It's so good. It's very simple. I used to make this almost on an every other week basis, and I don't know why I haven't made it in a while, but I'm really looking forward to it. The mini tacos, I bought those last week. I'm just going to bake them or air fry them. I'm also going to have mango on the side, and I don't know, we're having 2 rice meals, so I'm not sure if I'll have rice or chips and salsa. I don't know. Maybe even just a salad. Sesame noodles. This is a very simple Pioneer Woman recipe. You use spaghetti noodles, which I still have some in my pantry, and you use sesame oil, garlic. It's a very simple, comes together really quickly. We're going to have this on baseball night. Just have the second bag of steamed broccoli with that. We haven't done carry-out pizza for a couple weeks, and every week I don't do it, my kids are like, wait, aren't we doing pizza? So pizza Friday night. We're going to my in-laws on Saturday. My mother-in-law is making most of everything, but I am bringing corn and black bean salsa to accompany the meal. And then on Mother's Day, I get to decide what we do, and I'm going to do carry-out or go out to eat of some variety. I'm not sure what, but we'll see what sounds good on Mother's Day. So this is my meal plan for the week. If you want to see a video that shows the Korean beef, I'm using a different cut of meat because we like the really thin steak, but you can see Damn Delicious. Her YouTube channel shows how she makes this, and I just follow the blog recipe, but if you want to see an actual video, you can check out a video of it right here. I absolutely love every recipe I've ever tried from Damn Delicious. Is amazing. I love her blog, and you should check out her video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.